Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MPC. Today we are going to make a simple calculator in Python. In this calculator we are only able to calculate two numbers since this is a very simple calculator. Now for this starting we will make a variable named as n1. This will support as our number 1, and after setting up the n1 variable, we will move to the next line and set up another variable. We will name this variable n2, which will support as our number 2 variable. With the help of these two variables, we will operate the whole Python program. For both the variables, we have taken them as float. As I have mentioned before, float helps any integer or letters to convert them into numbers. After setting up both the variables, we will print something. This print command will help the user to choose between 1 to 4, and for these 1 to 4 commands, we will choose them as division, multiplication, addition or subtraction. To make the user be able to choose between them, we have entered another command named as \n, which will help the user to understand the commands better, because during the use of the \n command, it will create an extra line just to print the printed options we have given. This cannot be done with another print command, because if we have to just command another print command, it will just remove the first one and print the next one. Then after setting up the print command, we will set up another variable called choice. The choice variable will make the user be able to make a choice between number 1 and 4. These numbers will determine the type of action we have to put on the n1 and n2 variables. Then after setting up the print and the choice variable, we will make an if statement. If choice is equal to 1, calculation is equal to n1 plus n2. Since in this script we have given the 1 to be as addition, so we have to add both the n1 and n2 variables, and after adding the n1 and n2 variables, we'll just have to print the variable again. So to print the variable, we'll just write print the addition of the two of your numbers are. Then we have to just make an reference and print the variable. After printing the variable, we will make another elif command. In this elif command, we will say if choice is equal to 2, calculation is equal to n1 minus n2. Since in 2 we have given a test subtraction. Now we have to just print the variable again. So we will write print the difference of the two numbers are, then create a reference and add the variable. Now after this we have to make another elif command. In this elif command, it will say that if choice is equal to 3, calculation is equal to n1 multiplied by n2. Since in this program we have given 3 as multiplication. Now, as we did for the last two, we have to just print the variables. The variable being calculation. Now we have to make another elif command. In this elif command, we will say that if the choice is equal to 4, calculation is equal to n1 divided by n2. Since in this program we have given 4 as division. Now after doing this, as we did for the last 3 commands, we will set up another print command to print the variable. Now, in Python, division can only make out the quotient of the division. So, we'll have to write the quotient of your number is, then make in reference and then add the variable. As you can see here, up to where we have written, this program will work to calculate the simple operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. But one error can happen in this program. The error being if the user types anything but 1 to 4 numbers in the beginning of the program, the error of not being able to calculate anything will happen. So to fix it is very simple. We just have to write another elif command that will say that if choice is greater than 4, print invalid choice, please select numbers from 1 to 4. Now we have to just save the program to run it. After saving the program, we can run the program and it should work. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider to like and subscribe if you have learned anything from this video.